Welcome to Garfield Gulch. Give yourself the gift of breathing in this moment, of truly breathing mindfully. Once you have connected with your breath, find your breath reflected in this nature scene. Once you have found your breath, feel the connection between your breath within you and your reflected breath. Inhale. Exhale. See all of the layers within your reflected breath, and find a connection between your reflected breath and your internal breath. Feel the complexity, the simplicity. Inhale. Exhale. You can label this moment here as a way to bring you back to this connection. Thank you.